What's up guys, and welcome back to a new video review. As always, in this channel we are going to cover all the cryptocurrency projects, also the cryptocurrency investment website. All of that, it's not a financial advice, so please do your own research before going to investment in any project we mention in our channel. So today's we are going to do the second video about the Primexbt cryptocurrency exchange. As you can see guys, you will find the link of the first one as a presentation, and this second video, as I have mentioned before, in the first one it will be a video showing you how to make an account. All you need to do is go to the description section in this video, you will find the link there. After that, you click in register, enter your email and your password to your account. As you can see, this is not my main account. Ready to start trading. Registration, deposit, after that trade, and you will see here all the information such as the Bitcoin, USDT, also the USDC coin, and etc. If you want to make a deposit, all you need to do is click in deposit, and after that choose the network, which is Binance Smart Chain or Tron. Let's choose Tron, and after that all you need to do is scan and send some money in this platform. I will do that and get back to you guys. So if you want to buy the cryptocurrency using your card, you can choose between Euro or USDT. After that, you enter the amount of Bitcoin you want, accept a better term, and then you can enter your information or personal information, and you can make your first buy or purchase. And here you can see the order history of your purchase, the fees, as well as more detail about it. You can discover that by yourself. And after making a deposit to your account, as you can see here guys, you will see that I have already deposited $10 in this account, just to show you how to trade and also how to use this exchange. You will find here this button that you can participate in, steps to get rewarded by $5, $20, 1,000, etc. Let's go back now to this section. If you want to trade, you can see here the CFD or the crypto futures. If you click here, you can accept the terms, and also they have a demo account. As soon you go to the crypto futures, you will see here all the cryptocurrency that you can trade as a futures. They support large of tokens or coins. As you can see here guys, this is the chart that you can do your due diligence, also your technical analysis. You will see here the market, limit, stop, as well as the order book and the order history. And all you need to do is click in limit and choose your buy or sell, etc. And if you want to copy trade, all you need to do is click like this, and also you will see here the profile of anyone that have done a great success. Do is just a simple click in copy, and after that you need to go to enter the maximum and click copy now. And as you do that, it will be automatically to trade every trade that this person have been want to do. It will be automatic into your account. And if you want to trade the CFD, you can also do that in Bitcoin. This is the chart. Also, you can choose the line or the bars, as you can see here guys. For me, I choose the Japanese candle, and you can click in buy or sell. You can enter the amount, and after that send order and confirm. And the crypto futures, you can use the demo account, as I have done that. Trading features, as you can see here, you can buy or sell, also close the order. It's easy to do that guys. You can buy limit, market, and stop using this platform, and you can also switch to the real account, and you can use your money. Now this is the real time account. As you can see, now we are 5 and also minus or plus 3%. This is how you can make an account and how you can trade and get more rewarded if you are very skilled in this wonderful cryptocurrency technical analysis. This is how you can use the copy trading in the real life, as well as the M account. If you want to switch between them, all you need to do is click here and choose the tutorial. And also you can go to the academy or education. They have some great information that they will help you how you can CFD and cryptocurrency trading. So guys, this is full information about how you can open an account and how you can trade using the Primexbt cryptocurrency exchange. See you in another video review. Peace.